Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Today I want to talk to you about the substitute for return and what you need to know about it. I used to prepare substitute for returns myself when I was an agent under 668A of the code. IRS has a code section, 6020B of the Internal Revenue Code, that allows them to prepare your return. Many people are shocked when they get a tax bill or find out that IRS did a substitute for return. So what does IRS do and how that happened? Generally, if IRS gets a 1099, a W-2, their computer algorithm does not find a tax return that matches that 1099 or W-2, it alerts the IRS central computer, and boom, it sends out a notice of, we're going to prepare your tax return under 6020B. Well, a lot of people get the notices, most don't. A lot of people don't know what to do with it. They say, hell, this isn't my tax bill. But that becomes a legal tax assessment if you do not respond to that. And then IRS starts their collection process. After a series of notices, they can go ahead and take your bank account, your wages, take your passport and file a federal tax lien. If you want to stop that process and that information is wrong, which it always is, because IRS just takes that information, files it as your married filing separate, so it's a single, the highest tax amount possible. You just have to file your original tax return. What that will do is it'll put in your return and nullify the 6020B or the substitute for return. If you owe the IRS debt, then you're going to have to take measures to go ahead and take care of the debt. That's what we do. So if you need to have your tax return prepared to stop IRS, we can, but make sure you defend that. Just don't sit back and not do anything. If not, you're going to be paying more tax than you should, and IRS will step their game up and make sure they collect the debt by issuing levies and seizures actions against you. So that's everything you got to know about the IRS substitute for return. Unfortunately, I used to do that at IRS. Sorry to tell you. The IRS Insider, give me a subscription.